So let me just explain what happened here. We were in Santa Barbara having a good old time, filming, taking photos. I wanted to experiment a little bit and try a photo right on the surface of the water. So oceans have waves, and I had my camera less than an inch above the surface of the water, and I wanted to get this photo. So this is the reaction of my camera being fully submerged in the Pacific Ocean.
Alright, we're behind the scenes with Spence Deasy here at the Lucky Pixel Media and Company shoot.
Oh! Fuck me.
What do you get?
My camera?
Oh no. Bad?
Oh yeah. I had it
sorry.
I had it right above
my
the surface.
Holy shit.
I'm soaked. My fucking dick got it wet.
Did you hear that? Tyler got his dick wet today. We're reckless.
No, bro.
Stop. You're gonna fuck your camera.
He wants it, bro. He wants it. What do you
You
mean?
got it already. You already got it.
Didn't.